Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best pasta makers. The game-changing tools that let you craft fresh, flavorful homemade pasta with authentic texture, from al dente spaghetti and silky fettuccine to shaped varieties like rigatoni or penne. Whether you're a beginner experimenting with simple egg noodles, a health-conscious cook incorporating veggies or gluten-free flours, a family feeding picky eaters customized meals, or an Italian food lover recreating Nana's recipes, these machines simplify mixing, kneading, rolling, cutting, or extruding while delivering superior taste over store-bought. We'll detail versatility, sheets versus shaped, ease of use, cleanup, durability, capacity, and user-tested results to match your kitchen setup and skill level. Check the description for current prices and deals. Let's roll out some pasta. The Wichami electric pasta maker delivers automated power and speed for quick noodle production without manual effort. This compact stainless steel machine, 135W motor, functions as a 3-in-1 roller and cutter, pressing dough sheets and slicing into round spaghetti, 2.5 millimeters, or flat noodles, 4 millimeters per 9 millimeters widths, with adjustable thickness for dumpling skins or lasagna. One key operation and efficient output, up to 22 pounds per hour in some models. Make it ideal for family batches or flavored doughs like spinach or tomato. Users love the sturdy food-grade build, fast results for fresh meals, and easy mobility for countertop use. Some note it prefers softer doughs to avoid motor strain and occasional cleanup in crevices, but for electric rolling/cutting convenience at an affordable price with healthy homemade control, Wichami brings reliable efficiency to busy kitchens. Next, the Cuisinart pasta maker combines mixing, kneading, and extruding for truly hands-off pasta and even bread dough versatility. This compact standalone unit handles up to a pound in about 20 minutes, with multiple discs for shapes like spaghetti, rigatoni, fusilli, bucatini, fettuccine, and small macaroni. Easy controls, built-in storage for discs, and removable parts support quick switches and experimentation with add-ins. Reviewers highlight consistent texture for gluten-free or enriched variations, minimal waste, and beginner-friendly operation yielding pro results. Cleanup requires drying parts first. Dishwasher-safe accessories help. But for multifunctional electric extrusion that saves time and space while expanding beyond pasta to doughs, Cuisinart offers trusted brand quality and fun creativity. The Nuzet's pasta maker transforms compatible stand mixers into a powered pasta station for precise sheets and cuts without separate machines. This stainless steel set includes an 8-setting roller for uniform thickness, great for lasagna or ravioli, plus integrated spaghetti and fettuccine cutters, all in one unit for seamless workflow. Durable gears ensure smooth operation, with a cleaning brush for maintenance. Users praise the time-saving integration freeing hands to guide dough, even results rivaling dedicated rollers, and value as a mixer upgrade for frequent makers. It requires a stand mixer and manual feeding, but for electric-powered flat pasta versatility with excellent control and easy storage, Nuzet's enhances existing setups affordably and effectively. The Philips Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker masters fully automatic extrusion for effortless shaped pasta in under 20 minutes. This Viva Series machine mixes, kneads, and pushes dough through included discs for classics like spaghetti, penne, or fettuccine, with room for custom ingredients like eggs, herbs, or vegetable purees. The seamless chamber ensures even consistency, compact design fits counters easily, and quick disassembly simplifies washing. Reviewers rave about uniform noodles with restaurant texture, beginner ease yielding vibrant flavors and quiet performance for daily use. It benefits from recipe experimentation for non-standard flours, but for reliable hands-free shaped varieties in small batches with minimal fuss. Philips provides consistent excellence and innovation. Finally, the Jovan Home Pasta Maker stands out as the top choice for seamless stand mixer integration and professional flat pasta results. Built from durable stainless steel, it combines an adjustable roller, multiple thickness settings, fettuccine cutter, and spaghetti cutter in one efficient unit, producing wide sheets for filled pasta or long strands without jamming. The protective cover aids thorough cleaning with included brush. Users love the precise non-stick performance, quick homemade output for recipes like ravioli or lasagna, and premium feel that rivals official brands at better value. It relies on your mixer for power, but for versatile high-quality sheets/cuts with superior control, longevity, and everyday practicality, Jovan Home delivers the ultimate balanced performance. That wraps up our top 5 best pasta makers. From the automated Wichami electric pasta maker, versatile Cuisinart pasta maker, integrated Nuzet's pasta maker, effortless Philips compact pasta and noodle maker, to the precise Jovan home pasta maker. There's an option here for every pasta enthusiast, from quick family meals to gourmet creations. Which one will bring fresh Italian magic to your table? Comment below, like, subscribe, hit the bell for more kitchen must-haves, and check the description for deals. Thanks for watching.